Welcome to the mobile training rig. We make it easy by bringing the training to your doorstep. Let's take a tour to see all of the awesome capabilities it has to offer. I'm standing in front of our engine-driven welders, the Lincoln Vantage 441X and the Miller Big Blue 400 Pipe Pro. Not only do they provide power for our trailer to where we can weld inside the trailer, but we can also hook up wire feeders or stick electrodes to be able to train in the field. I have mobile training setups that we can bring right to your job site, the Lincoln LN25X and the Miller Smart Feeder. Just hired a new batch of welders and you need them up to speed on your specific project? Welcome to the inside of the MTR. This rig has all the welders and tools needed to get your new hires up to speed on what you're working on, and this keeps your seasoned welders welding instead of training. Have no one to train, but you want to see the latest and greatest from Miller and Lincoln? Let us bring one of our fleets to your fab shop floor to try it out.